Hello, hello, my beautiful crafty friends. Welcome in. It is Deanna at the Blushing Mint. And guess what, friends? It is time for another Flip Through Friday. I have completed this journal. Oh my goodness, I don't even know what to say about it. It is fantastic. It is gorgeousness. Chunky monkey. Chunky monkey. This journal is a gift journal, and so it is not available. I will be hopefully gifting it or have gifted it this week before this video airs. So yeah, let's just take a look inside. So again, I created this cover out of Amazon packaging, just a brown paper Amazon packaging. Fabric, stitching, I covered the spine with this gorgeous piece of lace. Double sari silk closure in here. Just, oh my gosh, it is just stunning. This is crazy gorgeous. All right, so inside the front cover here, big lace pocket all the way across the front and the back here. Little charms at the bottom here. Inside the front pocket, this is a mini gift journal here. Just a journal made out of an envelope, and then these are my own digitals that are in there. Some fun little things. That's a little flip out there. So that is just a little gift journal. So she can put it in her purse or whatever. Okay, so that tucks in there. Oh my gosh, lots of dangles, tons of fabric, tons of lace. I mean, just look at it. Okay, here we go. My hand-dyed papers. This has got a little safety pin and a leaf journal or a leaf charm. This here, let me find my little, this is a tuck spot here. Some more fabric ruffle and another charm. Edith Holden paper. This is Artie Mae's paper. This is the envelope pocket that we created, decoupage envelope pocket. Love those. Book pages, my hand-dyed papers. This here is another tuck spot. This big sack, and in here I've got just a invoice. Tucks up there inside that paper sack. So tons of space to journal, plenty of places to hang or to tuck items. This is another invoice here, just fold it up. In that tuck spot here, there is a big pocket here to put something. I did not put anything in there. Another tuck. This is a tuck behind here as well as a pocket here. Center of our signature. This is gorgeous. A pocket here. Pocket here, policy envelope in the pocket here. That's an Artie Mae's policy envelope. Fabric flip from my mom. Another tuck back here. Another invoice. These are just coffee dyed in that belly band. More of my hand-dyed, hand-stamped papers. This is just, oh my gosh, it's just stunning. Oh, the light is, these are hard to tell, but I've stenciled on there. Really hard to tell. The light is just right. Here is a big journal card in the back half of that sack. This is one of my hand-dyed envelopes. I just thought that was gorgeous in there. Little tuck spot with the, and then we've got a journal card in here, another fabric ruffle. Then this is a flip out for hidden journaling, a belly band. Oh, it's just, this is gorgeous. Okay, I've got another safety pin with a charm, a little flower there. Okay, that was the first signature. I've got a key and the word journey down here hanging off of the charms there. Second signature, here's our sewn window envelope decoupage pocket. Butterfly, I love how all this just coordinates so gorgeously. Oh my goodness. Then I've got another invoice here. Envelope, folded up like an envelope. Okay, that pocket. Hand-dyed, stamped papers there that I've done. Here's another safety pin with a owl charm and some extra fabric laying off of that. Another belly band here. In here, I've got another one of those invoices that I've just copy dyed and folded that up. And you just tuck that in and it's inside that paper bag there. So tons of places to tuck things in. Another letter here. Edith Holden page with a ruffle with a butterfly on a garment pin. This is another flip out here. Tag. Journal card with another fabric ruffle. This is another tuck spot here. This is the fabric flip from my mom, and these are just gorgeous. This is then another tuck spot here. This is a policy closure style here, and this is just the center of the signature. Just something fun there. Why does nothing ever work the way you want it to when you're on film? It just doesn't. And then I've got my Made with Love and a key charm coming off of that one. This is the tuck spot here. And then this is another flip here, and then this is a big pocket there. Tuck spot here. Just gorgeous. Hand-dyed, copy-dyed, stamped. Pocket behind, pocket inside. Flip that out for extra journaling. Big tag here. In this side of the sack here. And then the back sides of these sacks also have a little tuck spot here as well. Another safety pin and a feather charm with some more fabric. Another invoice folded up like an envelope there. Just look at all those laces. There's just so many different styles of lace. I don't even know how many I used in this journal. Tons. And then this is the back page. This is a tuck spot here. We've got our Book Belongs To nameplate there. Back of the signature here. And then I have a set of two of my hand-dyed decoupaged envelopes here. My calling card and uniquely handmade there, and so those tuck in there with a little key charm. And then this one has Be and an Artful, and so that really is going to fit the recipient of this perfectly. So friends, there you have, I believe I called this Nature in Color. I can't quite remember, but I believe it's Nature in Color. And it is a stunner. Comment below. Tell me what you think of this journal. I would love to hear your thoughts. And you can see the whole process of me making this, except for the last final embellishments in here, on my playlist. I have a whole playlist for this journal. Yeah, it turned out amazing. Thank you, friends, for being here. Thank you for watching. Please give me a like if you like this journal. Comment below. Tell me what you think. And if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe. All right, friends, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.